Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can see who you blocked on TikTok. Okay, so this process is fairly straightforward and simple. So I'm going to open up TikTok. Once you're on the home page of TikTok, tap your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Then from here, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. Then tap on settings and privacy, and then the option we want to tap on is privacy. So tap on that, and then you just want to scroll down till near the bottom, and then you can see here it says blocked accounts. You want to tap on blocked accounts, and you can see all the accounts that you've blocked on your TikTok profile. It will display the whole list here, and then if you want, you can go ahead and unblock someone. So if I unblock this person, you can see they're now unblocked, and it should refresh the list if I go back into it. So now it says no blocked accounts, and that's all there is to it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.